Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Epic. Many beloved classic games, like Angry Birds Epic, have been removed from official app stores, making them seem lost forever. However, with a few alternative methods, you can still bring these fantastic titles back to your iOS device. This process typically involves using a computer and some specialized tools to install the game directly onto your phone or tablet. It's a great way to revisit nostalgic favorites and enjoy hours of fun. One primary method involves sideloading the game using its IPA file. First, you'll need to find a reliable source online to download the Angry Birds Epic IPA file. Be sure to choose a trustworthy site to avoid any security risks. Next, use a sideloading application such as Sideloadly or AltStore on your computer. Connect your iOS device, and then follow the software's instructions to install the IPA file directly onto your phone or tablet. This process usually takes only a few minutes. Another option is to explore various third-party app stores that specialize in hosting delisted or modified applications. These platforms often provide direct installation links, sometimes even without needing a computer. You might find Angry Birds Epic readily available for download. However, it is crucial to exercise extreme caution when using these stores. Always verify the legitimacy and reputation of the platform before downloading anything to protect your device from potential security threats or unwanted software. When attempting to play delisted games, several important considerations are vital. Always prioritize downloading files and using tools from reputable, verified sources to minimize security risks. Be aware that unofficial methods can sometimes expose your device to vulnerabilities. Additionally, ensure your iOS device has enough free storage space. Angry Birds Epic typically requires around 160 megabytes for installation. Following these guidelines will help ensure a smoother and safer experience as you enjoy your classic game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.